Hello, this is Rongyi Chen from Group 3, and we have teammates Yihua, Sihua, and Yuqing, and I have the honor to give this demo to you guys as to show our project's prototype. So, our project is virtual study room, and the first use case we're talking about is about login and sign up. So I click on the button, and the first user case I want to test is about create a new account. So I click on it, I input the username, password, and re-enter again to double check. Now I'm ready to create this account. And another test case is like after we create the new account, we log in with that account with the same username and password. So now if I click on login, I can successfully log into my account. The next use case is about match a session. So I want to set up the time as 1 hour with 2 people, and we want to prepare our examination in that study room. So it will be on June 4th. Time is 9:40 a.m. So I will start to search this session. So the result is like we have 3 rooms available for that time. So I just pick up anyone and book this room. Now the book is successfully booked the room, and you can see the session will update in my homepage. Next use case is like if I want to see the detail of all my sessions, I can click on this view all button, and all of my sessions with its detail will be show up here. So I can come back to the homepage, and from now on, just for the testing purpose, I just keep 1 session in my list. And I will talk about the next use case, which is about managing the session. So I click on the session. There are 2 main functions about this part. The first one is like I can set up a reminder. So I double check my session's information, and if I regret, I just go back. And if I want to set up the reminder, I can click on the yes button. So now the reminder will send to my email address as a reminder email. So that is what we're talking about the reminder part. And also another use case is like I can cancel the session. I can double check, I can keep it, or just directly cancel it. So now the session is already cancelled. So if I go back to the home page, that session disappeared. Next use case I want to talk about is host a session. So if I don't want to search some people else's session, if I just want to host a session for me and my friends, I just click on the host a session button. I set up time, the length, how many times I want to repeat this study room, and this is for my private use. Then I choose June 4th, 9:40 a.m. Now I can book this session. So I successfully book my room for that session for 2 people, and if I go back to my homepage, now the session will display here. The last part of our project prototype, I want to talk about like when we enter the session, when we're really using the study room. So imagine we already arrived that time, and we want to enter the session. We join now, and this is our virtual study room. And imagine I'm talking with my friends. We provide several different functions like, control the microphone, the camera, turn on. And also I can even chat with my friend. We can type in some information we need. this is our main part of our project. And if I want to leave the room anytime during the session, so or I maybe regret, just you can leave the room for, as when you need. So now I click on the leave room button. Now I already leave my session. And another use case, another situation is like I don't want to leave the room at all. I want to finish the whole 1 hour with my friend. So assume that the session will be over right now after 1 hour study. So we gave the user 2 options. Maybe the user, they still want to talk about something, they're not finished yet. Maybe just like 5 minutes quick talk. Then we just add some more room. Let's add some more time to the room. Now, and after that, the session is over. Now the user can go back to the home page. Or we can just directly leave the room. We don't need any more time. We also give that option to the user, so the user just directly go back to home page. And this is the end of my demo. Thank you very much.